Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Praty. You're watching me on my channel. So I make here fashion related videos, beauty related videos, skincare, first impressions, reviews, hauls, everything. So if you like these kind of videos, please do subscribe for notification. If I upload any new video, you will get the notification, and please do hit on that like button if you like this video. So let's get started. So today I am here with first impressions with this product. This is a sunscreen. I thought of doing summer related videos. So let me read out all the things they mentioned about this sunscreen. What is this sunscreen and all. Then I'll tell why I choose this sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen from the brand called Bloom Couture's Aroma Magic. This is the brand, and this is in the category of like aloe vera gel, broad spectrum, UVA and UVB, protects and hydrates. So this particular company, Aroma Magic, they do have sunscreens in lot of varieties. They do have cucumber in the variation of cucumber, aloe vera, and some of the other things I didn't remember. But here, this particular aloe vera gel is for oily and acne prone skin. So it is SPF 20. It's a broad spectrum and all natural material line. So this the specialty of this brand is they make their products with all natural things, no parabens, no artificial chemicals, nothing. Even the ingredients they have mentioned on the back of the packaging are almost natural. So not almost, everything is natural. So they claim that it is a safe product. So according to the packaging, how to use and all, you have to first knead this product and just shake it well, so that since it contains all the natural products, it may like separate. So before using, just knead it and shake it well and apply it before going out. For 15 minutes before, you have to apply this, and you have to reapply it every 90 minutes, means 1.5 hours. Yeah. And if you are doing any activity, you have to reapply it for every 30 minutes. So these are the things they mention. So let me explain why I choose this. I used to use other sunscreens like Neutrogena, other like some products which my dermatologist recommended. The problem I faced with those sunscreens are like they are in that white color, and they leave that white cast, and you can see now I'm literally sweating. So in summers I do sweat a lot. By nature, my skin is a combination. My T-zone is oily, and my cheeks and besides cheeks are very dry. So kind of a combination skin. But when coming to summers, especially summers, my skin behaves like it is oily, but not completely oily because of that over sweat and all. My face always look oily. On the top, if I apply any sunscreen with white color, you don't believe everything comes off. You can clearly see everything coming off. Though it's a waterproof, though everything, it literally comes off and it looks awkward. So because of that, I stopped using sunscreen. So I started researching everything. So I found 2 sunscreens which are gel form, and they gives that matte finish. One is from this Aroma Magic, and another is from Lotus. among these two, why I choose this is, though Lotus company, they have 40 and 50 SPF, higher in SPF, but this is just 20 SPF. Why I choose this is, I want to use sunscreen daily, on the daily basis. So they do contain parabens, in especially in Lotus, they do contain parabens. So for a daily use, instead of the product containing parabens, this is the better one, though it have 20 SPF. Since I want to, most of the time I do stay at home, so for me 20 SPF is nice. So if I want to go out or anything, so I can prefer that Lotus one, because it has like 40-50 SPF, but it is 20. So if I want to stay at home, even though if I want to go out, I can apply this, but I have to keep in mind that I have to for sure reapply this for every 1 hour. Though they mentioned it for 1.5 hours, I should reapply this for every 1 hour. If I do this, it works. For more higher SPF like 40-50, they'll say like 4 to 5 hours, but you have to apply by every 3 hours. So it's fine, every 1 hour is fine, right? Rather than parabens and other heavy chemicals. So I prefer this. So since my skin is a bit, you can see this, everything is oily here, but still here it's little bit dry. So I have to see how it works on my skin, especially my dry cheeks and oily forehead. So let me try this. So just now I washed my face, so I test this with all my other process. I usually apply sunscreen at the last. So first I'll spray this toner. This is like normal rose water from the Forest Essentials. Just I'll spray 2 to 3 pumps. Let me fan it out. After everything, my skin absorbs this rose water, I'll apply my moisturizer. Yeah, it's almost done, so now I'll apply my moisturizer. It's not at all a heavy moisturizer, it's normal. Though it's summer, I'll surely apply my moisturizer, at least a little bit. As I said, my cheeks around here, around this area, they are very dry. So now I am done with my moisturizer, so it's time to apply this baby. So even the packaging is very good. It's a travel friendly, so there is no danger of leaking. Even the color is so attractive, it's good. So let me open and I'll show you the texture, how it look like. See how this is the texture of the gel. It's almost transparent. You can see this. So it's almost transparent. So let me quickly take it's almost a half teaspoon, right? I don't rub it, I just apply it as a layer. The texture is very soft. Since it is aloe vera, it's kind of cooling. It has that cooling texture. It looks like normal aloe vera gel. You can feel that it looks like aloe vera gel. I took a little bit extra. So okay, it's fine. I'm done with applying this sunscreen. So let me wait for 15 minutes. You can see that shine and all. So I think it should be mattified. It's little bit sticky, actually it's little bit sticky. So I'll wait for 15 minutes and let me check whether this stickiness and this shiny thing goes off and becomes matte or not. So I'll be back within 15 minutes. So guys, I'm back after 15 minutes. So it's not at all sticky now. That stickiness is almost like kind of evaporated. So yeah, it gives you that soft. Now the skin feels like a bit soft. So it's not even my dry cheeks, or they're not dry, though they mentioned it's for oily skin. So it's not at all dry for me. So you can see I'm sweating. So it's not odd, and it's not kind of coming off with that white cast. Let me tell you some cons of this product. Like I explained the pros. It do have some negative points too. It's not waterproof, so whenever you went for any swimming or because of sweat, it can come off. So one minus point. And another is it's 20 SPF, which is like the lowest thing. For our Indian weather, Indian environment, you need at least 40 SPF to protect yourself properly. But that 20 SPF, you can just use it indoors. So actually you have to apply sunscreen even indoors. So you can apply indoors. When you go out, you have to apply for every 1 hour. So these are the cons. By checking the pros and cons, for me, it's my personal opinion, pros are like so good. We have pros more than cons. So from my side, it's a big thumbs up. I love this product. Yes, I continue using this, but I have to find another good higher SPF matte finish product. So I'll find it soon. So but I love this product. Please do try this one. If you like this video, please hit on that like button and please do subscribe to my channel. This is Praty signing off.